Hello, welcome back to gloomy Dorset, England. As you can see, I'm back on the 1971 Deluxe full restoration. I've set the height, so the suspension travel and the height is set. I've got the gear linkage back in, as you can see, and all locked off nicely with a lock wire. I've marked the adjusters just in case, because sometimes they can slip or work loose. I've never had it, but you never know. Also, as you can see, I've got all the back brakes done. Everything's powder coated and treated. New shoe cylinders. I've made the new copper lines. As you can see, this side's finished. The other side I've made the copper line, but I'm waiting on this pipe here. This flexible's out of stock. Everywhere in England's out of stock. As you can see, we've got a storm in Dorset today, so it's very dark and damp. It's a nightmare for working on cars. It just makes everything damp, the floor damp, underneath the car damp, and obviously it creates rust. As you can see, there's a tiny bit of rust coming on these brand new shocks. It's so annoying. Yes, the joys of working in this country, sadly. But we're cracking on. There's the front shocks to do, all new front brakes that's got to be done next, and tracking and track rods, and I think that is pretty much it. So we're really getting close on this one. Oh, the horn's got to be done, pedal pan's missing. On the outside, the badge is missing, the trim, the rear bumper. I'm not sure if it's got its registration done yet, so it needs to be registered for the UK roads. But it's nice to be back onto it. I don't think I've worked on it for about 6 to 7 months. So now the owner's financially able to pay me to work back on it. It'd be nice to get it finished. Oh, that's another job I've got to do. Take the sliding door back off. I've set the height and everything. Needs to have a new seal and put the cover back on and get some grease into it. But it's starting to look really cool, especially the wheels on. I think the wheels really break it up because it was looking a bit grey, and obviously with the Deluxe trim back on it as well, the waistline trim, it's starting to look really cool. I've also been working in my brother's workshop. The Beetle I MOT'd about 2 weeks ago, the convertible, the one with the low miles. The owner has been in Memphis, Tennessee on holiday, so we've had it for 2 weeks. So 2 weeks of starting it, stopping it, starting it, stopping it, starting it, stopping it, driving out every day. And we've had frosts and rain and all sorts of weather in this country. Because it's been stood, like I said in the last video, it's ripe for more work to be done on it. And guess what? The starter motor packed up. So as you can see, it's got a not brand new, it's a reconditioned Heller or Bosch genuine starter with a new bush. So now it's starting again. That's the trouble when you leave these vehicles stood. Obviously parts fail, and with our damp, horrible country, yeah, it's not ideal just driving them in and out. They don't like having short journeys just been started in the morning and driven straight outside. They like to be driven to temperature. It's close. So hopefully, my brother's got to change the plugs because the plugs now it's running on 3 because one of the plugs has got wet where it's just on choke all the time. So he's got to do that tomorrow, and then the customer can take it back and put it in its car. They've got one of those carcoons, those heated, breathable. They're like a little bubble tent thing to protect it, which has been in it most of its life. Obviously, it's definitely preserved it. Being here hasn't done it much favours. Obviously, having to go outside because we don't have enough room to keep all the vehicles in all the time, sadly, and that's one of our problems. Yeah, we wish we did, because everybody says, oh, will you keep it in all the time? But sadly, no, we don't have that privilege. But that's what we've been up to. Obviously, it's getting a lot quieter as we near Christmas. Part sales are okay. We're still getting some stuff done, but Normally this time of year always tails right off, and because no one really wants to spend any money this time of year, which you can't blame them. So, and normally January for us is very quiet as well. So over January I'd really like to crack into this and get the brakes totally finished. At least I can drive it now on the handbrake, that's one bonus, but I'd like to get the brakes fully finished on this. And I think I mentioned in the last video, the 77 Westphalia, he's having it's been fully restored now, he's having the glass fitted by a local firm, so early next year we should have that in to get it going again and put it back together. Basically it's been painted, so it's just putting in the door frames, glass, quarter lights. He wants the dashboard removed and powder coated. It's not it's never always turns into a big job, but it's for me it's more of a normal job than this. This is a lot of work. So I should hopefully have to bust it out ready to get the beach buggy in maybe end of Jan, February, and that's build the pan up, put the tub back on and get it running. So that's not as big job as a full resto as well. But there we go. Thanks for watching. See you for the next video.